Welcome to Wife's Cookbook. Tonight we're making white rice that old school way with no rice cooker. I've got some green onions chopped into there. Make sure you have the temperature to medium high so that all the seasoning mixes in well perfectly and you're already at temperature to add in water. You must clean your rice, and that is not up for debate. Do not allow the rice to sit in the water for too long because it could start aiding the grains to get softened before you actually add it to the boiling water. Be sure to make so the rice grains are not stuck to each other, and especially so that the water is not drowning out the rice. Check to make sure there's only less than half of the liquid left so that you can add on the top and steam on medium to low heat. Voila, perfectly cooked white rice. And try. Be sure to watch the next video of how to make delicious smothered pork chop and cabbage to go with this white rice. Meet me in the comment section. I'd love to talk to you and let me know whether or not you tried this delicious meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you're notified the next time we're making delicious, amazing, homegrown dinners so that we can cook together on Wife's Cookbook.